How y'all doing? It's Levi here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing. And we're just going to go over doing a rough tank, step by step. First, I'm just going to take my rouge and I'm going to apply it to my buff and just wrap it around there good. And I'm going to get where I'm going to start at up under my tank, and I hold my grinder upside down like this. Put my buff on. Keep my lines tight and follow my pattern. Then I just go up until where I feel the grinder almost start kicking, like about that position. Turn around and look, make sure I got everything up under there. Rouge up again. I'll do a little back drag just to get my rouge on the tank. And I get down here and I just start working my way up, keeping my pattern tight, my pressure consistent. And we're just moving. Tight passes. And I'm just going to go all the way up there as far as I can. That way, the least hand polishing, the better. And after I get that section, I'm going to come over here and do the same thing. I'm going to get my place where I'm going to start at the bottom. And I'm going to put my buff there, and I'm just going to work it. I get to my good stopping point, I'm going to go down here and check it. If you was to have spots that got a little extra rouge where they're hanging, just go back over it again. Then whenever you see me put my rouge up before I go back down there to my shine line, I'm just getting that extra rouge from where I just rouged up. That way it don't just back splatter as soon as I put it on the tank. And as y'all can see, it's a pretty rough tank. It's a work truck. Like right here where it's really rough and stuff, I'm going to take, and I'm just going to do a little back cutting just to pull my pores the opposite way. Get them opened up and get them pulled the opposite way. For whenever I rouge up and cut up, I'm building heat and moving. Keeping tight passes, good pressure. Now that y'all seen me cut the tank, we're going to come back in a brief minute and we'll finish coloring it after I finish cutting it. How y'all doing? Levi here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing. We're about to color his tank that y'all just watched me cut. First, like I said, it was a rougher tank, so we got a little bit of rouge hung right here in the pits. We make shiny pits around here. So if you'll take a little hand polish, just rub on them rough spots where you got that rouge, where it just hung the rouge. Hand polish just cleans it up. Just gets all the rouge there. That way whenever we color, we can go right over it and pull it off. We're going to take our green right here on our 40 ply. We're running 2600. We're going to take it and just want that green to get hot on there until our buff starts turning green. We're going to start the same way we did whenever we was cutting it. We're just going to turn the buff the opposite way and get up under there. That way we can get the bottom of that tank without having to crawl up under it. Then you see our line right there. We're just going to continue to follow it up. Nice tight passes. Then we're going to do the same thing, coloring this one. Going to take our rouge up at the bottom. I'm going to take it, I'm going to start down here below my black line. Our shine line is going to be below our rouge line. Then just start working my way up that tank. Nice tight passes with my color. Smooth, steady strokes.